Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, after the pump yesterday, AVAX did come down a little bit. We talked about that. That was to a degree expected. I mentioned to you that I would expect it to get into the region here between 1548 and 1437. I still think that. Obviously, we reached the target already, but I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna move the wave count a little bit, just sort of to change it a little bit, just based on how I see Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, and how just to get rid of 1-1-2 setup because we have way too many here. So I think it's the more likely count. So it doesn't really change a lot, but I'm going to take this small 1-2 setup out, which makes the count a little bit more realistic. We still keep the 1-2 setup here, the 1-2 setup here, the 1-2 setup here, but we will move this wave 3 down. Then here the wave 4, and no, the wave 4 would sit here. It's also not a great count, but it's better than the other one. And then we have a very long wave 5, which would, however, be part of this third wave, which would also explain why we pushed so high. And then I would expect now that we come down in this wave 4. Now that changes the targets a little bit. Well, does it actually? Yeah, it does. A little bit. It would allow for a stronger retracement, but doesn't really change the target area much. It just moves the target area into the region between 1391 and 1527, even though I think the most likely area is obviously down here below the 38.2 retracement. So it's actually here. Yeah, that's the most likely area for a wave 4. It could be that the retracement to the 23.6 retracement is enough. We'll see, yeah, but normally I would scale it out like that. So, but this is the more likely area down here. From here, I would expect then further increase here in the wave 5 of 3. Yeah, so that would be interesting. You know, we broke out of the wedge as well, so it could very well be, and it's a bit too early to confirm that, but it could very well be that with this move, AVAX has seen the end of the bear market. Again, it's way too early to see that. If we move out, zoom out, this move is fairly insignificant, but it could be a start. Yeah, I mean, I always encourage people to zoom out. If you look at this, you don't see it. Yeah, you barely see it. So don't get too excited. We're really only at the same level that we were in November, and nobody was bullish in November. So be careful. Yeah, but obviously, whenever we see such signals, first of all, this structure can be traded. And maybe it becomes a larger 5-wave pattern. So at the moment we have only 3. So I need that wave 4 complete, that wave 5 up. At least then we have more confidence. Then another 4 and a 5 to complete this whole impulse. That should in all likelihood then complete a wave 1. We come down into in an ABC structure. That would be the first significant retracement. And that would also be the stress test for this structure. So yeah, I will keep you updated about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.